In some breaking news coming in, this is with regard to women in NDA. The centre's plea has been dismissed. The centre has said that women to sit for the NDA exam next year. So this is the latest coming in at this point in time. Supreme Court saying that allow women to sit for the exam on November 14th, and deferring exam for women in NDA won't send the right signal and begin the exam for women in the NDA from this year itself. Those are the latest details coming in. So Supreme Court essentially turning down the centre's plea to defer the first exam for women candidates and directs that women be allowed to sit for the upcoming exam on November 14th. Meenakshi joining us for more details here. Meenakshi, the Supreme Court now turning down the centre's plea, saying that from next year women should be allowed to sit, and said that this year itself this should be made possible.
Well, that's right. Our viewers will recall on an earlier occasion, it was the central government which had sought exemption for women candidates to take these exams for this year. However, it's important to underline it was the central government itself which had come up with this policy decision and informed the Supreme Court a couple of hearings earlier that a decision now has been taken to permit women candidates to take these exams. However, today the Supreme Court bench led by Honorable Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul was of the opinion, and I quote, this won't send the right signal to women after having given them the aspiration, let's begin from this year, unquote. So Supreme Court says that after having lent hope to women candidates, why wait for next year, which was the initial plan of the central government, because the government wanted a little more time to work out the modalities. However, Supreme Court felt that it would dent the hope and the aspirations of women candidates, and therefore there is per se no ground to wait till next year. And both the MOD and the government have been directed to work out the modalities for this year itself for the upcoming exams, which are slated for the 14th of November.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.